What if MrBeast built a $200 million YouTube studio, powered by AI, floating over the ocean, and designed to film 10 videos at once? Stay till the end, because the final room will make you question what's real and what's digital. In a world where content runs the internet, one man decided to build a house that creates content for him, hovering above a private island. The Beast Mansion gleams like a glowing red jewel, part fortress, part laboratory, part digital kingdom. Its walls, smart glass that reacts to emotions. Its core, a living AI that learns what kind of content performs best and adapts the mansion around it. This isn't just a house, it's the first ever YouTube city, built for pure creativity. Every hallway is a potential thumbnail. Every room, a viral experiment waiting to happen. Imagine a place where 100 challenges could be filmed at once, and every camera angle is already optimized for maximum retention. This is MrBeast's $200 million YouTube studio mansion, built from white graphene, self-healing concrete, and tinted solar glass. The structure reflects the waves below like a digital mirage. The mansion sits on magnetic stabilizers. Yes, it literally floats above the island, powered by Tesla-grade electromagnetic fields. Every night, the walls shimmer with dynamic LED patterns. The whole structure becomes a light show, pulsing to the beat of trending sounds. Now imagine walking up to a massive red glass door shaped like the YouTube play button. It scans your face, your mood, and even your subscriber count before letting you in. Inside, a 24K gold spiral staircase wraps around a holographic waterfall cascading midair, a digital welcome that literally whispers, "Ready to go viral?" This mansion is alive. Walls shift to form filming sets. Lighting recalibrates to your facial expression. Even the furniture rearranges based on which video you're shooting. Every space in the mansion can be voice-controlled through a single phrase. "Let's film." And in seconds, the AI reconfigures everything for your chosen theme. From challenge mode to cinematic documentary setup. At the heart of the house lies the production dome, a 360 degrees holographic studio where creators can record, edit, and stream simultaneously. The dome can mimic any environment on Earth. Deserts, oceans, cities, even outer space. The AI-generated world reacts in real time to the script. If you say it's snowing, snow falls. If you say let's blow something up, the visuals explode in 8K cinematic realism. Yo, did the wall just subscribe to me? Wait, this couch just turned into a trampoline. Imagine Chandler, Carl, and Chris running through this place. One of them triggering AI weather mode while the other accidentally launches a $10,000 drone into the infinity pool. If this doesn't break YouTube, nothing will. Now, this is where it gets insane. The mansion includes a rotating challenge arena, 100 meters wide, with retractable floors, fireproof barriers, and dynamic obstacles that rise from the ground. It's where you could literally host a 100 players for $1 million challenge inside your own house. And when it's over, the AI resets everything, spotless in 10 minutes. Behind a fingerprint-sealed door lies the giveaway vault. Inside, rows of luxury cars, gaming setups, and sealed mystery boxes, all pre-packed for upcoming videos. Each one labeled by the AI with predicted engagement stats. This giveaway could get 80M views. This one 100M. The vault glows gold, and even the air smells like money. Every guest room is themed after a viral video. A Squid Game room, with robotic guards that respond to commands. A challenge suite that changes its difficulty level daily. A 24-hour stream chamber with anti-fatigue lights and soundproofing. It's luxury fused with insanity. Comfort turned into content. Deep underground, a glowing red hall leads to the Beast Command Center. It's lined with transparent servers, each pulsing with AI data, analytics, engagement, and real-time audience reactions. MrBeast sits at the center in a levitating glass chair, watching metrics appear midair. Watch time, audience retention, donation totals, and trending ideas. The system even suggests the next viral concept. AI whispers, "Last person to leave Mars wins a planet." This mansion runs on a private energy grid, powered by solar. AI mirrors that track the sun like living eyes. Every watt produced goes back into running servers, holograms, and production lights. It's 100% sustainable, zero emission, and 200% overkill. Because Mr. Beast doesn't just make content. He builds civilizations. At night, the mansion transforms. The pool glows with crimson light, and holographic play buttons hover above the water. Drone shows sync with background music while a million LEDs dance to the rhythm of trending songs. From space, the mansion looks like a glowing red city. The biggest YouTube notification ever. But this house isn't just a flex, it's a statement. It represents how far creativity has come, from filming in bedrooms to commanding entire AI ecosystems. It's a symbol of evolution, where content meets architecture, and imagination meets technology. The next generation of creators won't need studios. Their homes will be the studio. If MrBeast built this house, the world would watch it forever. It's the perfect fusion of technology, humanity, and chaos. Would you live here, or is this mansion too powerful? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, because next, we're exploring Elon Musk's Mars mansion, where gravity doesn't exist.